So, how to make this fake camera blur in Affinity Photo? Let me show you.
First, duplicate this layer by Ctrl+J. Name it Blur. Duplicate again and drag it up on the layer menu. Name it Focus. For now, let's hide the focus layer. Let's add some glow on the blur layer. Filters, blur and diffuse glow. Adjust a little bit. Hit apply. Now let's add the lens blur, filter, blur and lens blur. Change radius and take the blooms down. The bloom is not nice in this way. Hit apply. Now let's make a mask with the gradient tool. Select the brush tool and drop tiny bit for the foreground. So it acts like a camera. Let's hide the blur layer for now. Click the focus layer and start selecting the mug with the selection brush tool. Click mask. Right click the mask and hit refine mask. If it's good, just click apply. Turn the blur layer on and the image layer on. Now with the blur layer you can still drop the mask better, so it blends more realistically. Decrease opacity, adjust a bit. Add a noise a little bit to sell the effect. Filters, noise, add noise. Make it monochromatic and adjust intensity a little bit. Before, after.
And yep, that's it. I hope it helped. As always, have a great one. See ya.